Keeping Up with Kaylee, and today what we're making is banana nut bread. And so now we have our ingredients. We have flour, we have
baking soda,
some salt,
1/4 teaspoon of salt,
1/4 teaspoon of salt,
2 cups of walnuts,
2 cups of walnuts,
1 cup of butter,
1 cup of butter, 4 cups of egg,
4 eggs, 2 cups of sugar,
2 cups of sugar,
4 bananas,
4 bananas,
and
1 teaspoon of vanilla.
And you can use sour cream if you want to.
No.
Okay, the sour cream.
One of those.
Please don't.
And 3.
Now we're gonna get a nugget.
He said he get 3.
I
I might get 4.
You gonna be talking to tell, kid. I used to have
Look at me smile.
I have rings all on my hands. I'm sure you're
One of
bitching.
those.
The long nails.
Okay, so what's the first thing we're going to do?
We are going to have our flour.
Here, right here. Okay, go ahead.
Where am I going to put it in?
Oh, here.
So now we just place that in there. We lift it up.
Hold it over your ear. So we got to sift we have to sift the
We have to sift all the ingredients together. Put it.
flour,
The flour,
baking soda,
baking soda,
and the salt.
and the salt.
Here, let's add all of it. I'm going to help you out.
That's going to be hard to stir.
Go ahead.
Right now?
Sure.
Stir it. So now we're just stirring it,
Sifting it.
sifting it. See that little thing inside of there? You have the handle and you just put it around there and you want to stir it like a little bit fast.
Not too fast.
Not too fast or else all the stuff will get what?
Let me see.
It'll come out.
It'll come out. Like this fast.
So you're sifting your dry ingredients. Okay.
You're sifting your dry ingredients.
Is that it? Just a little bit more. Okay.
Okay, it's done.
Okay. Okay. Next, we're gonna cream the butter and the sugar together.
We're gonna cream the butter and the
butter.
The butter goes in here.
Yep, in here.
In here. So now we're just going to pour it in there, I guess.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's coming out.
With a spatula.
Tastes like. So now Granny's just gonna get a spatula.
Where's the spatula?
Mm-hmm.
Like this.
Oh. Down there.
So what are you doing, Kaylee?
We are we're mixing all our ingredients
We're gonna
and
mix the butter and the sugar.
we're gonna mix the butter and the sugar. This is the sugar, right? So we're gonna mix the butter and the sugar. Where's the sugar? Where's the sugar?
Right there.
The sugar. We lost the sugar.
Okay, here.
And so now we're just gonna dump all the sugar in, right?
Yep.
Oh.
It's okay.
And then we're gonna push this down, right? And set it from.
Yeah. Ready? We're gonna stir it a little bit at a time.
We're stirring it.
Pretty fancy, huh?
Yes, I want one of those. And it stirs really good. Butter.
Okay, now we gotta
Some
put.
of the butter still get up
Oh,
there.
okay, here. Take this. Put a little flour in there at a time.
This?
Eesh. Oops. Keep going. But try and put it. See, my bowl's not big enough. One egg at a time.
We're gonna add in one egg at a time.
Oop, that's two. Wait, so look. So you gotta add it slow. Add one egg at a time. You're still.
Okay.
Here, pour one. Put the egg in there.
One more egg. We need two more. Oh, that's flopping. Why? What is it doing?
Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going.
What is it doing? Is it gonna break?
No. Now we got, okay, let's add the, oops. Okay, let's add the bananas. Add the bananas here. Add the bananas a little bit at a time.
I think we should lift it up and do this.
Huh?
Ooh, it's gonna taste so good.
No, wait. Let's let that mix.
Ooh, the dough's getting in there good. I slept on that. Alright,
Shh.
I bet that's
See,
gonna
look.
taste really good. Can I taste
Look.
it?
No, fold them in like this. Fold it all the way in.
Put it over it. Now we just add the nuts in, so now we're just gonna fold it all in. Your hands might get dirty, and this is very hard to ask the parent or
Like this. Hold your pan.
my hands are
That's
dirty.
That's okay. Hold your pan. You just want to make sure we get it all at the bottom.
Why at the bottom?
Well, because you want to fold the nuts in to everything, so you want to make sure there's none at the bottom. Everything's mixed in. See?
Okay, I'm gonna go wash my hands. Now you have to get clean. So now we have to wash our hands. Whatever kind of soap you want to use. Foaming hand soap, or no good soap. You know, you guys, you can use any kind of soap. We just chose foaming hand soap. It's from the slime, but that's what makes hands smell good, and it makes it so soft. Then you turn it off and go get it. So guys, now what we're doing is scooping half and half in this little bucket to
And
make,
pans
in two pans, to make the banana nut bread.
to make sure. Let's see. Yeah, do it like that. You have to make it even.
We have to make it really even so it won't so the nut bread won't be like all in one place when we put it in the oven.
Oh, okay.
Try to make them the same amount in each pan.
We're trying to make the same amount in each pan.
And it's heavy, so Granny's helping me out.
What?
It's heavy, so Granny's helping me out.
It's heavy, so Granny's helping me out? And holding my arm. Now we're going to put it in the oven.
And it's been preheated to 325 degrees.
Now it's gonna be
It's preheated
preheated to
325 degrees.
305 degrees.
325.
325.
Wait.
So here are the final results, you guys. Okay, now it's time to taste it. Hi guys, make sure you like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.